Hello everyone, so here is this new app called App Icons, Widget and Wallpaper. So this is the way to decorate your home screen pretty easily on the iOS 14. So as you maybe know, on iOS 14 you can replace app icons and of course add different widgets, and then and additional in this app you can install all this like live wallpapers and stuff like that. Let's just go into that app. So when you tap in the menu, you just have like app icons. So these are them. And so this is the view. You can just select any view and then just tap. If you want this kind of icons or like something like that, tap save. And then you will be redirected to like the purchase. So you will need to buy the app. Actually, I think it's like $49 or something like that. But then the idea with it will be that you will be saved all these like app icons to your Photos app, and what to do next is just you need to go to shortcuts. So you need to go to this app. Sorry, I don't know what's done, so let's just try it open here. So you need to go to this app, and then you will need to create like the app icon shortcut. So it's like scripting, open app, and then open choose specific app like Netflix. You select that app, and then here tap next, and then shortcut name, and then you tap here on shortcut on three dots. You tap on three dots again, and then you can add to home screen. So here you rename the name of an icon, and here you can just tap and then choose file and choose the file which you just downloaded from the app. So that's how it would work. So hope that is helpful, and that's the way to use this app, and then you just do it for every app you want to replace icon to. So it can be a long process if you want to replace like icons for like 10-20 apps, but anyways it might be worth it. And another thing is when you install these shortcuts, every time you will click on this app icon, it will still redirect through the shortcut app, and only after it will open the required app. But anyways, that's the only workaround it is at this moment. It can change in future. So anyways, hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching.